Microsoft Project is a powerful tool for planning, managing, and tracking projects. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Start a new project. Launch Microsoft Project. Open Microsoft Project on your computer. Select blank project to start a new project or use a template if it fits your needs. Set project details. Enter project start date, end date, and other relevant details in the project information dialog. Create a task list. Add tasks. In the Gantt chart view, start by entering tasks in the task name column. Break down your project into smaller tasks or phases. Set task duration. Specify the duration for each task in the duration column. Link tasks. Create dependencies between tasks by linking them. Select two tasks, right-click, and choose Link Tasks to establish relationships like Finish to Start. Assign resources. Add resources. Go to the resource sheet view and list the resources needed for your project. Assign resources to tasks. In the Gantt chart view, assign resources to tasks by selecting a task, then choosing resources from the resource names column. Track progress. Set baseline. Before starting the project, set a baseline to compare actual progress against your initial plan. Update tasks. As work progresses, update task completion percentages in the Task tab. Generate reports. View reports. Access reports under the Report tab to visualize project status, progress, and resource usage. Options include Project Overview, Task Overview, and Resource Overview.